Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnanatirtha Vidyalaya Pathri Road, Parbhani. Friends, today we have to see the information about 7th standard subject science. Okay, in this book we are in the third chapter. The name of the chapter is Properties of Natural Resources. Okay, in this properties, before in the last lecture we have seen the properties of air, properties of water, in that temperature regulation, transmission of sound, scattering of light, and properties of water. So today we have to see the information about the density of water. See the first point and observe the figure that is on the screen. Take a plastic bottle more than half full of water. Mark the water level on the bottle. Keep this bottle upright in the freezer for making ice. Understand? Open the freezer after a couple of hours and observe. You will see that the water has changed into ice. Note the level of the ice. You will find that the ice level is higher than the water level before freezing. What can you infer from this? See, this is one of the experiment we can do in our day-to-day or daily life. Okay, so this is very simple experiment. In that you have to take one plastic bottle, fill that bottle with water and mark the water level when you fill water in that bottle. After marking, close that bottle and open the freezer, and this bottle is placed in that freezer. So after a couple of hours you can open the freezer and observe that bottle. You will see that the water level has changed into ice. Note the level of the ice. You will find that the ice level is higher than the water level before freezing. Okay, as water freezes from ice, it expands and its volume increases. See, this is the main reason behind that. What's happened exactly? The water freezes to form ice, it expands and its volume increases. Now on freezing, how much was the increase in the volume of water? In what proportion did it increase? That is a different in proportions. Okay, depend on the quantity of that water. So friends, this is about the expansion of water when water transfer from the liquid state to the solid state, or from water to ice. Okay, next, take a bucket of water. Second topic, take a bucket of water, drop different kinds of articles in it. Make separate list of the article which sink in the water and those that float on it. Okay, see here, take a bucket full of water and in that water drop many different kinds of articles. Out of them, some are made by plastic, some of metals, some of non-metals. All these different kinds of articles are the things which is you have. Okay, what's happened exactly there? Some articles are float on water, but some articles are sink in that water. That is the most important point, and we have to see the information about that. Next experiment, take some water in a pot and add a few pieces of ice to it. See in this picture, take some water in a pot and add a few pieces of ice to it. Observe what happens. Why do we see the ice float on water? Ice is lighter than water. When water freezes to form ice, it becomes lighter than the original liquid. When water freezes, that is, when it transforms into the solid state, its volume increases. Therefore, the density of ice is less than that of water. That is why the ice float on water. See, friends, there is a difference between the densities of the two objects. First is the water and second one is the ice. So, ice is lighter than water. The weight of ice is lighter than the water. When water freezes to form ice, it becomes lighter than the original liquid. When water freezes, that is, when it transforms into the solid state, its volume increases. See, there is a transformation, and in that transformation there is a increase in volume. Therefore, the density of the ice is less than that of water. That's why the ice float on water. Because we can take an example of wood and iron. Okay, both are the different kinds of materials, but when we taken the blocks of the two materials of same size, but there is a weight of the iron block is maximum than that of the wood block, because the density of iron is greater than that of the wood, and that's why greater the substance that is greater in density, the weight of that substance is also maximum. Okay, next. So in this experiment, there is a weight of water is greater than that of the ice, because the density of water is greater than the density of the ice. Okay, there is only expansion in volume of that ice, but not increase in the weight or density, that is decreased. Density of water, the interrelation between the volume and the mass of a substance. The space occupied by a substance is its volume. The store of matter in a substance is its mass. There is a difference between mass and volume. So the formula for the density is equal to mass divided by volume. Mass is measured in grams and volume in cubic centimeter. Hence the density is equal to gram per cubic centimeter or cc. Hence gram per g per cc is the unit of density, means gram per cubic centimeter. If the mass of 1 liter water is 1 kilogram, then what is the density of water? So there is a density of water is 1, because mass is 1 kg, volume is 1 liter, and see here, mass of 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram. So there is a 1 kilogram divided by 1 liter. So we can calculate. After the calculating, we get the density of water is 1 gram per cc. Okay, so this is information about the density of water. So friend, we will stop here. The next information we have to see in the next video. Okay, thank you.